Lectrosonics is a U.S. manufacturer of high-end professional audio products, namely wireless microphone systems used for film and TV production, live touring, and theater. The StandWrench is made in our Rio Rancho, New Mexico factory from Grade T-304L low-carbon 14-gauge cold-rolled stainless steel with high corrosion resistance. We start by precision laser cutting the material, followed by bending the precise angles of the box wrench ends with a CNC brake. The beveled slot screwdriver edge is milled on one end, then the wrenches are tumbled to remove any rough edges. The dimension markings for the various hex sizes are laser engraved so they can't rub off. The result is a lightweight yet rugged utility wrench made to last for decades for the musician on the go who needs to occasionally tighten or adjust a pro music stand at a gig or rehearsal.